Good morning. We are going to a place called Ffald y Brenin in a place called Fishguard in Wales. It's part of our sabbatical of taking time away and spending time in prayer. And it is a prayer center as well as a retreat center. So really looking forward to it. It's in the middle of nowhere and it's a beautiful place. So we're going to take about 6 hours to get there. Kushani, anything?
Hi, good morning. Looking forward to this time because we visited Ffald y Brenin quite a few times and had amazing encounters with God in that place of prayer. It's a house of prayer. So we're really looking forward to this time. This is the first time we're going to be actually being resident there for 2 nights. So it's going to be a very different experience as well. So we will be giving you updates as we go.
Just a stopover for some essentials. Krispy Kremes. And Krishani is having
Mocha with coconut milk
from Costa's. Now you would realize that as you cross over the border from England into Wales, that all the signs have Welsh. It has English and Welsh. So that's an interesting thing, that you will see a bilingual signage, whether it's on the road or wherever. I dare not try to pronounce things in Welsh because I will just murder the language. She made it. Wow, this place is so peaceful and it is just so beautiful as well, where you can just sit and meditate and pray and you feel so relaxed as well. I've been fighting to keep my eyes open, but it's so beautiful, and thank God that we managed to come here and get accommodation. Do you see what I see?